Hi, and welcome to another episode of Saturday Morning Cartoons, where you're going to learn to draw cartoons like a pro from a pro. My name is Rich Torrey, and for the past 30 years, I've been a children's book author and illustrator, a comic strip artist, and I've taught thousands of students how to draw using the same method I use in my work. Every Saturday, I'll share that method with you as we draw a cartoon character together. Well, the holiday season is upon us, and I thought we'd kick things off with the one and only Mr. Grinch. So grab those sketchbooks and let's get busy. So today I thought we'd do something a little different. Rather than me talking my way all the way through this drawing, I'm going to divide it into the various stages. I'm going to give you a little explanation and some tips at the beginning of each of those stages, and then I'm just going to draw. And what I will do is I will speed it up and then move on to the next stage. If you need to, you pause, you rewind, you go back, whatever you need to do to see the various phases. I never start with eyeballs or toenails or any other detail. I always start simple, then work towards that detail. Because of that, I also start lightly. I want you to start to practice those two things. Start simple, start light. I'm going to draw much darker than I normally would because I need you to be able to see this. But the first thing I'm going to do is draw what will be the roadmap for the Grinch. All right. I'm going to draw, starting with his head shape. I'm going to figure out how many heads tall he is, and then I'm going to map out that first step. All right. Okay, so now with that, I have the first step finished. I have the roadmap done. If you learn to draw with me and you learn to start with a roadmap, you will end up with a character that is, generally speaking, the correct proportions. You'll also be able to plan out any kind of movement that that character might be making or a pose. You do it all in this first phase. You can't do that if you start with an eyeball or a toenail or an earlobe. Okay? I don't even know if the Grinch has ears. He must. All right. So now in the next step, I'm going to start to form some of the features. All right. It's not the final step. This is the kind of that in-between step where I'm going to place his eyes, nose, where his hands will be, kind of the clothing that he's going to wear, his Santa hat, all that stuff. I'm going to start to rough that out now. Again, you're going to still draw this lightly. I want you just using a regular pencil. You don't need to be using color pencils. I'm using the color pencils like I always do to sort of show you the various steps. All right. So again, in this next phase, I'm going to start to form out or put in where the features will go, plan all that out. Much easier to do once you start with a roadmap. You don't have to guess. You kind of know where things are going to go. You saw that I put in a guideline here, right? I use guidelines a lot. I divided his face up in half. So again, in this next step, if you want, you can pause it, rewind it, whatever you need to do to see the various features I'm now going to lay out, okay? right. So now I have placed most of the important features, his eyes, his nose, his very crooked smile. I've got his hat, his Santa suit, and his Santa shoes. And the next step will be that final step. So you start with that roadmap where it looks nothing really like the Grinch, although it has the right proportions and everything. We start to add those features. It definitely looks like the Grinch now. I might just sort of firm up where the fingers and everything are on the hands before I do the final version. I'm going to do that right now because you see that the outside of what is the karate chop hi-ya thing, you see his pinky, you see another finger sort of peeking out past it, and then you see his thumb way over on the other side on this hand. On this hand, you're not going to see the thumb. You don't want to make them symmetrical. I just wanted to make sure that I have his very gnarly, crooked fingers drawn the correct way according to this drawing. And I just noticed that this finger here sort of curves this way. There. All right. Other than that, I think I'm good to go. The only other thing I might do is just make sure I've got the eyes exactly how I like them. Again, when you get to that final phase, there's no reason to actually hammer that final line to the point where if you don't like it, you can't go and fix it. Start light on your final line too. You can always go back. Once you're clear that you have it exactly how you want it, you can then really darken it in if you like. Or you go over it a few times and that darkens it in anyways. All right. So I'm just making sure that I have his eyes, which are not symmetrical. He's got his left eye, which is on our right side, is really wide open. And there's that the right eye is kind of squinty, looking a little more evil. Remember that Dr. Seuss, his characters have the pupils of the eye are kind of drawn as a U shape, not a full oval. And that's just to show the highlight. It definitely makes the Grinch look kind of evil. And the Grinch has a lot of eyelashes, which I'll be drawing in. All right, so now I'm going to go to that final step. And as I said with the other two steps, if you would like to pause it, rewind it, whatever you have to do so that you could make sure that you see exactly what I did and fix yours or whatever you need to do, okay? And there you have him, the Grinch. So how'd you do? Much like the other drawings we've done, now that you know the formula, you'll be able to draw the Grinch over and over again, and each time it's going to get a little better and a little easier. And I also promise that the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. If you want to do some more drawings with me, you can click on the link below for my free 4-part video drawing series. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the little bell so you won't miss any of the Saturday morning cartoon episodes. In the meantime, I want to see your drawings. Take a picture of your Grinch and post it on Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to tag me using the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I'll see you next Saturday for another Saturday morning cartoon. And until then, keep drawing, my friends.